Hello guys and welcome to Jamie Gamer. We're going to be playing some Elite Dangerous today. Hey folks, we're here having a little go on Elite Dangerous. This is the beta version. I've not got the premium beta because it kind of came to the party a little bit late. So I've just signed up for the standard beta, but in preparation for the beta which launches on the 29th of July, the guys at Frontier Development have given us some single player combat scenarios to have a play with, so I want to go through those with you now. So this first mission, Waste Disposal, basically involves us getting rid of a load of waste canisters for this company in Mastopolis. Oh, Mastopolis Mining, my apologies. Okay, let's get into it. That's not the ship that we'll be flying, that's a Cobra, I believe. Sorry, I am a bit sad. I have been following this quite closely since the Kickstarter campaign started. Didn't actually get in on the Kickstarter at the ground floor. Wish I had now, but, you know, never mind. I've got it. We can have a play. Okay, so on these little single-player missions, you get these little cards that come up at the start of each, just giving you some information about the kind of systems, tools, and controls that you'll need to use throughout each mission. Some of them are a little bit different, so this one basically just tells us how to fly the ship. That's the side weapon in this picture here. Okay, this one tells us about user interface, so we've got several different ship panels that we can have a look at. If we close this, I'll show you now. So that's the standard forward view. Okay. Most of the time you'll just click your middle mouse button, like that, and then you kind of get to look around your cockpit freely. So, a nice big open cockpit, grab handle there. Should imagine that's for possibly getting in and out. Oh no, I think the get in and out at the back, never mind. So we've got our navigation and communications panel there. That's great, you can't really do much with these at the moment. Well, with that one anyway, because there's nothing here. That's the standard sort of, what do you call it? Radar, I guess. Information about your target is on the left, information about your ship is on the right there, and you've got the little compass there. It's the little circle with the dotted cross in it. Also, additionally on here, I'm not sure what the thing is on the left, but on the right that's definitely your thrust. We'll find out what the thing is on the left. The little thing with the 3 bars there, Sys, Eng, Wep, and Roost. That's your power distribution systems. And then this one here is the sort of status and operations panel. So you can flick through these. If you select it, you can flick through. I'm using the E and Q buttons to flick through this one. And then you can select it with space and you turn things on and off. So I've just turned my engines off there. Turn engine back on. Right, and then W and S just to flick through these. So I've got everything's online, everything's at priority 1. If you wanted to sort of mess about with your priorities and whatnot, you're having some problems with heat generation, something like that, you can set these to lower priorities. But we'll keep it all as it is at the moment. Fire groups, oh hello, didn't want to do that. That's, if you're wondering, that's A and D that change things on there. Okay, so E and Q to go through the different menus at the top. So fire groups, I've actually got 2 multi-cannons on this ship. I believe they're gimbaled. We'll find out in a second. I've got no cargo, and I've got all my functions here, so I can space will change things. So I can deploy my landing gear or retract my landing gear, lower and retract my cargo scoop. You can see the little blue button on the landing gear and cargo scoop things I've retracted on, so you can put both down. Ship lights on and off. Turret weapon, forward fire. I've not got any other options for that because I've not got any turrets. Flight assist is on, rotational correction is on, gunsight mode leading. That's fine. That basically will tell us exactly where we need to shoot if we've got fixed weapons. Logarithmic sensor scale, report detected crimes on, and report crimes against me. That's everything for that little systems panel. Okay, so a right click, a middle click on the mouse will send us back to the front there, and you can see there's like a very faint sort of dotted diamond around that little glowing yellow thing. If we target forward, we can see what that is. That's toxic waste. Amazing. Let's actually see if that's done anything to that central panel. No, nothing going on there. Not entirely sure what that's supposed to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just inch my way closer to it. I'm going to kill my engines because I can see there's several of them in front of me there. Now you can either use Enter to deploy your weapons or just your trigger. I'm using a joystick, so I just use my trigger there. So I've got that selected. Just pump a couple of shells into it, and you can see the hull percentage is going down 26, 19 on the little display on the left there. 11. I've also got information about what I've targeted next to that. A couple more shots and that'll be gone. 3 and gone. Cool. We'll just yaw to the left a little bit, pick up the next canister, and shoot that. With this mission, you don't really... Hello? What's going on there? Doesn't seem to want to fire at that. Okay, we'll try the next one. With this mission, you don't really have to move much. Because these aren't moving targets, this is kind of just to get used to the ship. And you can start worrying about flying in the next mission. Count that down. You can see on the display in the middle there, it's a really sort of clever little graphic that you've got. This actually was created by David Braben for the very first Elite game, way back in, I think it was 87. It was groundbreaking at the time because it was the first truly 3D game. Okay, you can see you've got a couple of different options there for lining up this shot. You've got, so on my normal sort of HUD reticule, whatever, you've got the top and bottom portions of the circle, and then on the target you've got left and right portions. So you spin it around and then line those up so it makes a full circle. You bang on centre with whatever it is that you're shooting at. Doesn't matter that much because our guns are slightly gimbal, so you can just kind of line it up and they'll find where they need to go. You can see those two circles that are just sitting underneath the cross there. They're basically showing us exactly what the guns are aiming at. So you can see them moving around now. They're just sort of automatically targeting whatever it is. So they'll target that, we can blast him down. Oh, I need to reload. You don't have to do anything to reload, it will do it on its own, which is great. So just blast that one down, spin around for the next one. As you can see, I've not actually moved, I've not actually engaged my engines at all, we are going absolutely nowhere. I'm just sitting here and picking these guys up. You can if you want to, I did it earlier, just playing the little refueling the car game, so when you put in the fuel in you want to make sure that you get it bang on, like 30 quid or however much you put it in. Don't use too many bullets. 7-3, next one, gone, there we go, just one bullet, sort it out. Where's my next one? It's up there somewhere. So I'm looking for the little white things on the radar. The orange things, they're all of the asteroids that you can see. You can actually change what you can see on the radar with the page up and page down buttons, so you can see much more of the local system, what's happening there. So we're in the middle of a massive asteroid belt. And then we can go back to the top, back to the main menu there. A little local area of space that we're shooting stuff in. And we'll swing it around. Grab this last one. Oh no, that was it. Sorry, that last one is the navigation beacon. Oh, success! Amazing. There you go. So Mistopolis Mining can carry on with its dodgy practices. Now the Imperial inspectors from head office have moved on. So we've moved those on. And that's that. It's as easy as that. It's very simple. Just gets you into the swing of actually flying your ship. Just like to thank you all for watching these videos. If you liked it, like it. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.